To grill chicken breasts, first wrap them in plastic wrap and place them on a cutting board. Pound the chicken with a tenderizer until it's uniformly thick so it cooks evenly. Then, season the chicken with salt, pepper, and your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, cumin, or chili powder. Brush olive oil over the grates on your grill using a paper towel, then preheat the grill to medium. Set the chicken breasts directly on the heat and cook them for 8 to 12 minutes per side or until they're golden brown. To grill chicken thighs, season them as you would chicken breasts, but preheat your grill to high heat. Place the thighs on the grill and cook them for 6 to 8 minutes on each side or until the thighs are golden brown. You can check the temperature of grilled chicken with an instant read thermometer to see if it's done. When the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, it's ready to be served.